Hello, everyone in Lanham, Maryland. I want to let you know that 7509 Dover Lane in Lanham is having an open house this Saturday, July 17th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Discover this beautifully renovated rancher, showcasing numerous upgrades and located on a generous lot. With fresh paint and refinished hardwood floors, this home exudes a modern charm. The brick and vinyl siding add to its aesthetic appeal, while the spacious carpet provides convenient parking. The huge living room floods with a natural light, creating a welcoming ambiance. The new kitchen showcases granite counters, tile backsplash, new handles, and ceramic flooring. Enjoy meals in the breakfast dining area with sliders leading to the oversized deck, perfect for outdoor entertaining. The newly renovated hall bath features ceramic flooring, a white vanity with a granite top, and new lighting. Retreat to the spacious primary bedroom with two closets and indulge in the remodeled primary bath with the new tile flooring, a walk in shower, and a white vanity with a granite top. Additional bedrooms on the main level offer flexibility. The full basement features an oversized family room, recreational room, a fourth bedroom suitable for a den office or exercise room. This property is truly a 10 plus 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 inside and out. Don't miss this opportunity to make it your own. Schedule a showing today and prepare to be impressed. Now, if you are a Lanham homeowner, when this home is sold, you will want to know your new home value estimate. I think you're going to like what you see. This is Diana Barajas with Cobalt Banker Realty. I look forward to seeing you again.